Here I've got SONY Xperia L4, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, go to keypad 10, and let me start with the first code, the shortest one, which is *pound 06 pound. And here it is. As you can see right in front of you, you've got both IMEI numbers and also serial number assigned to your SONY Xperia L4. Tap on OK to go back, and now let's go to the second code. It is *pound 4636 pound*. And now we are in testing mode performed by Google, and here you've got phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. So let me start with phone info. And here you've got IMEI number, phone number, if your SIM card is included, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, data network type, and so on. If you would like to run a ping test, just tap on Run Ping Test. And here you've got the results. And below you've got some further details. Then under user statistics, you can find a report from your apps. So if you'd like to check last time used or users time, you've got everything right here. So this is it. And if you will click on Wi-Fi information, you will be able to check Wi-Fi APA with all disabled network, disconnect network, enable network, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. Then under Wi-Fi configuration, you've got all configured networks, so the currently networks are included here. And then under Wi-Fi status, you can smoothly refresh it and check the details. This mode also allows you to perform a ping test. Just tap here, and here it is. So that would be all for this one. Another code is *pound 426 pound*. And as you can see here, we've got diagnostic mode. Here you can check events and status. And if you would like to activate advanced view, just tap on the more icon and then select advanced view right here. And from now on, you'll be able to check some further details. So that would be all for this one. Another code is *pound 225 pound*. And as you can see here, we've got the calendar info. So all celebrations, events, and so on are included here. You will not forget about any upcoming event or anniversary. Smoothly enter this code, and all the celebrations, all the important dates will be stored in one place. So that would be all for this one. And here we've got the last one and also the longest one. It is *pound 737 842 3 pound*. And here we've got service menu, where you can check service info. Just click here, and now you can check model info. Here we've got the model, software info, SIM lock details, and so on. You can check the configuration, factory charging, firmware info, MAC addresses, security, and also certificates. And then the second super useful feature is service test. So just click here, and in this mode you can test your device. So you can check if all the features are working properly. For example, if you would like to check your speaker, just click on speaker. And as we can all hear, it is working properly. Then you can check also the vibration. Click on Start Test. And it is working properly. We can check it by tapping on the keys. Definitely good. Then you can also check the camera, earphone, LED, Bluetooth, and so on. Let me pick, for example, battery health test. As you can see, the battery is in good condition, no need to replace it. And for example, let me check a real-time clock. And it's also okay. So this is it. Just pick the feature that you would like to test, click on it, and then check the current state of this feature. And that will be all. These are all secret codes that you can use in your Xperia L4. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.